A little tip for the management folks among us on accessing workflows. So this is how you automate stuff in tags the easy way. You go to the menu here, go to Tools, and then go to Probes, then go to Workflow Probes, and you can see I have a couple of stock ones here, but to make a new one, click the New Workflow button in the corner, get a name and a description entered. Usually it should have something to do with what the workflow does, so you can find it later and edit it or remove it if you want. So I'm just going to fill out the rest of the details here and make it available on the Overmind testing tag, and then add a new behavior rule. So then we're going to select a model. I have a bunch of different ones available here because my node is totally unlocked, but I'm just going to use GPT 4.1. And then we're going to say it's a tag digest action. Going to name it so that we remember what it is. And then we're going to enter an instruction, which in this case it's going to be take the existing tags that are on this digest and keep them the same, but then add the tag fish. So this is very simple at the start, but you can create multiple new digests with different tags, highlights, extract things from the original digest. You can go totally wild with this, but this is just how to get started and where it is. Hopefully this was helpful, and it's going to take a second for the workflow to run here in the rest of this demo, but there is more content after, so stick around. This is my test node, so I was really wailing on it when this happened, so it took a second to run it, but this is going to be a lot faster in your world because you don't have all the devices in your network talking to it yet. There we go, finally the workflow has run, and as you can see there's fish in the tags there. And I'm going to show another quick little tip. You can actually export your tags to a CSV file. If you have federated tags loaded, the CSV, which we're opening here, will also include the source node. So if you have like multiple team members or something, that could be very helpful. And then you can turn this into structured data. So if you store something in like a key value or JSON format, the export tool will automatically detect that and then give you a nice spreadsheet. So this really makes spreadsheet world a lot more flexible when you can edit with AI and then do these exports easily. Then if you need to import something, we have the ingestion tool here as well.